Hi guys. So this video and the past few videos have basically been, uh, bringing out whatever ideas I have just to put it on record so that I hopefully don't forget them and implement them someday. And also, it's to capture my progress in making the app. So since last time, if you had seen my previous video, which is highly unlikely, but nevertheless, if you had seen, you would have seen that. You would have known that I've added two controls, which is like the number of letters uh, and the number of attempts. Since then, I've posted a video in which I mentioned uh, having a couple ideas, like adding a hint button somewhere around here where my mouse is, and also adding a separate edition of the app for GRE preparation. So basically, it'll give you definitions as a clue, and then you'll have to guess the word. But since then, I started wondering about the actual WORDLE app, right? So let me go to the actual WORDLE app. Right. So until it loads, what I've observed in the app is that it has a time constraint. So the reason for the time constraints can be twofold. One is it's a scarcity constraint. Basically, let's say if the game isn't that great and you keep on playing the game again and again, you feel like getting bored immediately, and then the time constraint prevents you from actually getting bored. That is one reason. Or the second reason might be, yes, this is the game. So the second reason might be that people would want to share results with others regarding how quickly or with how many attempts they actually solve the puzzle. So these are the two reasons that I could think of. Obviously, the second reason I actually got it from a Reddit thread that I had made when I actually made the first very basic version of the game. Having said that, I've realized, okay, so in case you do want to share results, but then yet again, I don't want any time constraints. How do you go about it? So I was thinking of making a global statistic data, which means that, let's say, this app is used by many people. Which is again unlikely, but if it gets used by many people, what will happen is that you'll have data on how many attempts the general populace took to solve the puzzle. So that is what I'm trying to. So basically, once you answer the quiz, if you crack the quiz, crack the puzzle, you'll get a stat as to which percentile you lie in. So that was one feature that I thought of adding, and I found that more interesting than the hint and the GRE version of the app, which I will nevertheless add one day. So this feature here, you see the feature in development, basically is that. So it will most probably give you a login ID and password, and you can keep record of the words that you cracked and how many attempts you cracked. And also, upon just completing the game, you'll get a general statistic pop-up which will tell you how many people attempted the word or how many people solved the word in how many attempts. It'll basically a bar graph. Okay, having said that, these are my ideas for the future development of the app. Anyhow, so there'll be few issues that you might be facing while solving the game. For example, I did realize through my log that when people were attempting to, with 7 attempts and the 5-letter word, they did face some error from the website. Basically, I think the server got disconnected because there was some issue. I've fixed that, so you don't have to worry about that. Okay, so having said that, we'll just try to solve this game today. It's obviously a random word. It's not standard. It's not like the same word is gonna get. Everyone is gonna get the same word. So none of these letters are. So yet again, there's an optimal method to solve this, right? So basically, there are 26 letters in the alphabet. You can most probably form a Macy set of words that will basically cover all letters. And you'll come to know at least which letters are there in the word, and then it will become a scramble problem. But anyways, I'm not using any optimization approaches here. I'm just sorry. And yeah, the interface is yet again not great. I'll have to fix it. I'll have to make it more reactive. I know K isn't in the letter, I mean in the word, but still. I know A is not there, but I can't think of any word that will. Okay. You might be thinking, I mean, I still don't know what the word is, so this is just a random guess I know, which is definitely false because it doesn't have the letters L and I. Anyways, so it says better luck next time. I don't know what the word is. I can give up. The word is quill. Okay. Yet again, I would have not given up. But the point of this trial is now since I've failed at guessing this word, what the pop-up would display instead of better luck next time will most probably be a statistic as to how many people failed in solving this word, or how many people succeeded and what quartile or percentile you lie in. So that's it for this video. If you do actually like this, I mean, app, do let me know. I'll add more features so that to just to make it more interesting and more interactive.